Digital treasures. Await your chance to strike gold. Imagine making money from your phone. Not just a few cents, but real money right at your fingertips. That's the promise of LootLabs. And today we're diving deep into how it works. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete beginner, this guide will show you how to navigate the world of LootLabs and potentially earn some serious cash. Let's get started. Ready to unlock your financial freedom? Keep watching. LootLabs unveiled. What's the deal with this platform? LootLabs is a platform where you can earn cryptocurrency. Think of cryptocurrency like digital money. It's a new form of currency that exists only in digital form. It's becoming more popular every day. More and more people are using it for transactions and investments. LootLabs lets you collect this digital money by completing simple tasks. These tasks are designed to be easy and quick. These tasks can be anything from watching short videos to taking surveys. You can even spin a digital prize wheel for rewards. It's like getting paid to use your phone. Imagine earning money while relaxing on your couch. The best part? LootLabs is easy to use. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to get started. It's designed for everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. Just download the app, create an account, and you're ready to start earning. It's that simple and straightforward. Your roadmap to loot, a step-by-step guide to earning. First things first, download the LootLabs app. This app is your gateway to a world of earning opportunities. It's available on both Android and Apple phones, so no matter what device you use, you can get started right away. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up and create an account. The registration process is straightforward and user-friendly. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes. Just fill in your details and you're good to go. Now for the fun part, earning. This is where the real excitement begins. LootLabs offers a variety of tasks to choose from. Whether you like watching videos, taking surveys, or trying out new apps, there's something for everyone. Watch videos, take surveys, and complete simple tasks to start earning points. You can even refer your friends to earn even more. The more friends you refer, the more you earn. Each task has a specific reward amount clearly displayed, so you'll always know how much you're earning. Track your progress and watch your earnings grow. With LootLabs, earning has never been this easy and fun. Section 4. The Golden Goose. How much can you really make? How much can I earn? That's the million-dollar question. Everyone wants to know the potential earnings before diving into any venture. Well, it depends on how much time and effort you're willing to put in. The more dedicated you are, the higher your potential earnings. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. Each task brings you closer to your financial goals. Some users report making a few dollars a day, while others are earning significantly more. Remember, consistency is key. Regular effort can lead to substantial rewards. Make it a habit to complete tasks daily, and you'll see your earnings grow over time. Small, consistent actions can lead to big results. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a money tree. With patience and persistence, your efforts will bear fruit. Section 5. Beyond LootLabs. Expanding your wealth-building horizons. LootLabs is a great starting point, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. From investing in stocks to starting your own business, the possibilities are endless. The key is to never stop learning and exploring new opportunities. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions and secure your future. Section 6. Risks and rewards. Navigating the world of crypto. Cryptocurrency can be a bit like a roller coaster. Its value can go up and down. This means you could make a lot of money or you could lose some. It's important to be careful and not invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your research before putting money into any investment, including cryptocurrency. Knowledge is power, and it's essential to make informed decisions with your hard-earned cash. Section 7. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. LootLabs is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of earning online, but don't stop there. The digital age is bursting with opportunities for those willing to seize them. Start a blog, create YouTube videos, or sell handmade goods online. The sky's the limit. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. Stay curious, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. The future is yours to create.